Ever find yourself stuck in the kitchen while everyone else lounges around? Here's a game-changing dad hack. Set your kitchen timer for every 30 to 45 minutes, and when it goes off, announce a family movement break. It could be jumping jacks, a quick dance-off, or a speedy game of Simon Says. Not only does this get everyone off the couch, but it also sparks laughter and connection. These bursts of activity are easy to fit into busy routines, making them perfect for dads leading by example. Try it tonight and watch your family's energy soar.